Today I'll show you how to cancel your Twilio account step by step so you can close things out quickly and avoid any confusion. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Twilio tutorials. Start by logging into your Twilio console at consoletwilio.com. Once you're in the dashboard, open the menu and go to the admin section. From there, select Account Management and then General Settings. In some cases, you may see Project Settings instead. Either option will take you where you need to be. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see Close Account or Close Project depending on how your workspace is set up. Click that option and Twilio will ask for a final confirmation to make sure you really want to proceed. Remember, this deletes all project data permanently, so double check anything important before confirming. If you are on a paid plan and still have a positive balance, Twilio will automatically start a refund process. That typically takes up to 10 business days and returns funds to your original payment method. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Twilio account. If you want tutorials on switching providers or exporting your data before closing an account, just comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.